For decades, Pluto was known as the ninth planet in our solar system. But in 2006, it was demoted to a dwarf planet. Why did this happen? Is Pluto still a planet? Let's dive into the cosmic debate. The story begins in 1930, when Clyde Tombaugh, an American astronomer, discovered Pluto at the Lowell Observatory in Arizona. For 76 years, Pluto was celebrated as the ninth planet in our solar system. But even from the beginning, Pluto was an oddball, a tiny, icy world far from the sun. Pluto's orbit is highly elliptical, meaning it sometimes comes closer to the sun than Neptune. This, along with its small size, made some scientists question its classification. As telescopes improved, astronomers began discovering more objects in Pluto's neighborhood, known as the Kuiper Belt. Some of these objects, like Eris, were nearly as large as Pluto, or even larger. Suddenly, Pluto wasn't so unique anymore. This led to a big question: should all these objects be considered planets, or should we redefine what a planet is? In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, took on the challenge. They defined a planet as a celestial body that orbits the sun, is spherical, and has cleared its orbit of other debris. Pluto met the first two criteria, but not the third. Its orbit is cluttered with other objects in the Kuiper Belt. As a result, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Pluto met the first two criteria, but not the third. Its orbit is cluttered with other objects in the Kuiper Belt. As a result, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Not everyone agrees with the IAU's definition. Some astronomers argue that the definition is too narrow and excludes interesting worlds like Pluto. They believe the concept of a planet should be more inclusive. Pluto has 5 moons, a thin atmosphere, and even weather patterns. It's a fascinating world, deserving of the title planet, they say. Public opinion has also been strong. For many people, Pluto holds a nostalgic place in their hearts as the ninth planet. Petitions and campaigns have been launched to restore its status. In fact, in 2015, when NASA's New Horizons spacecraft sent back detailed images of Pluto, there was renewed interest and affection for this distant world. As our understanding of the solar system evolves, so too might our definitions. The debate over Pluto's status has highlighted the complexities of classifying celestial bodies. Who knows? As we discover more about our universe, we might find that the line between planet and dwarf planet isn't so clear after all. So, is Pluto a planet? According to the IAU, it's not. But in the hearts of many, it always will be. The debate continues, and in the end, it's a reminder of how much more there is to learn about our cosmic neighborhood.